Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 2 yang beranggotakan Abdul Salam dan Nurmalia ingin mempresentasikan makalah tentang Prophet Muhammad II. Chapter 2, Prophet Muhammad. The Arab people were invited by Muhammad to accept Islam. Some responded favorably, but most of them rejected Islam. They also turned against him. In 622 AD, Muhammad migrated to Medina. It was in the 12th year of his prophethood. In Medina, he was accepted as a leader of an Islamic state. There, he established the foundation of the relation among Muslim people and between Muslim and non-Muslim people in general. The Islamic calendar began from the time of migration. Migration in Arabic is hijrah. In Mecca, he tried to establish belief in on good among Arabic people. In Medina, he tried to establish a social life among many different people. Muhammad continued to preach Islam in Medina. He worked with unmatched faith and great wisdom. A short time after his death, the message of Islam spread to most parts of the world. Islam contributed to world history. It also contributes to civilization and scientific development. Today, about 1,000 million Muslims all over world accept Islam. Yang terjemahannya itu, orang-orang Arab diajak oleh Muhammad untuk menerima Islam. Beberapa merespon dengan baik, tetapi kebanyakan dari mereka menolak Islam. Mereka juga berbalik melawannya. Pada tahun 622 Masehi, Muhammad hijrah ke Madinah. Itu terjadi pada tahun ke-12 kenabiannya. Di Madinah, ia diterima sebagai pemimpin negara Islam. Di sana ia mendirikan dasar-dasar hubungan antara orang-orang Muslim dan antara orang-orang Muslim dan non-Muslim pada umumnya. Kalender Islam dimulai dari masa Hijriah. Migrasi dalam bahasa Arab adalah Hijriah. Di Mekah, ia mencoba membangun kepercayaan pada suatu Tuhan pada orang-orang Arab. Di Madinah, ia mencoba membangun kehidupan sosial di antara banyak orang yang berbeda. Muhammad terus menyebarkan Islam di Madinah. Dia bekerja dengan kesabaran yang tak tertandingi dan kebijaksanaan yang luar biasa. Tidak lama setelah kematiannya, pesan Islam menyebar ke sebagian besar dunia. Islam berkontribusi pada sejarah dunia. Ini juga berkontribusi pada peradaban dan pengembangan ilmiah. Saat ini sekitar 1.000 juta Muslim di seluruh dunia menerima Islam. Answer the following question. Number 1. Did Arabic people accept Islam? Answer. The Arab people were invited by Muhammad to accept Islam. Number 2. When did Muhammad migrate to Medina? Answer. Muhammad migrated to Medina. It was in the 12th year of his prophethood. Number 3. What year was it according to the Islamic calendar? Answer. 622. Number 4. What was he in Medina? Answer. In Medina, he was accepted as a leader of an Islamic state. Number 5. What did Prophet do in Medina? Answer. There he established the foundation of the relation among Muslim people and between Muslim and non-Muslim people in general. Number 6. When did the Islamic calendar begin? Answer. The Islamic calendar began from the time of migration. Number 7. When did the do during the Meccan period? Answer. In Mecca he tried to establish belief in one God among Arabic people. In Medina he tried to establish a social life among many different people. Muhammad continued to preach Islam in Medina. He worked with unmatched patience and great wisdom. Number 8. How far was the spread of Islam after his death? Answer. A short time after his death, the message of Islam spread to most parts of the world. Number 9. What is the Islamic contribution to the world? Answer. Islam contributes to world history. It also contributes to civilization and scientific development. Number 10. How large is the Muslim people today? Answer. Today, about 1,000 million Muslims all over world accept Islam. Mungkin penjelasan selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya yaitu Abdul Salam.
Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perkenalkan, nama saya Abdul Salam. Saya akan meneruskan materi dari saudari Nurmaliyah. Itu ada text discussion. Nah, text discussion ini artinya diskusi teks. Yang pertama, the characters in the text are, yang artinya tokoh-tokoh dalam teks tersebut. Nah, di situ ada jawabannya the Prophet Muhammad SAW dan the Arabic people. Lanjut, the events mentioned in the text, yang artinya peristiwa yang disebutkan dalam teks. Nah, peristiwa yang disebutkan dalam teks tersebut itu yang pertama ada the Arab people were invited by Muhammad to accept in Islam. Number 2, some responded favorably, but most of them rejected Islam. Dan yang terakhir itu ada in 622 AD, Muhammad migrated to Madinah. Nah, itulah jawabannya. Lanjut lagi, fill in the blank with the event mentioned in the text. Isi bagian yang kosong dengan peristiwa yang disebutkan dalam teks. Isi peristiwa yang kosong tersebut berisikan tentang there he established the foundation of the relation among Muslim people and between Muslim and non-Muslim people in general. Yang kedua, the Islamic calendar began from the time of migration. Dan yang ketiga, in Makkah he tried to establish belief in one God among Arabic people. Nomor 4, Muhammad continued the first Islam in Makkah, in Madinah. He worked with unmatched precision and great wisdom. The number 6, the message of Islam spread to the most parts of the world. Dan yang ketujuh, Islam contributes to world history. Nah, lanjut, reference and substitution. Nomor 1, some responded, itu jawabannya the Arabic people. Yang kedua, but most of them, jawabannya the Arabic people. Yang ketiga, they also turned against him. Jawabannya the Arab people. Nomor 4, it was in the 12 tahun year in 622 AD. There the Islamic State was, jawabannya Madinah. Dan he worked with, jawabannya Muhammad. Nomor 7, short time after his death, itu jawabannya Muhammad. It also contributes, jawabannya Islam. Oke, next. Fill in the blank with words you find in the text, or with words which have similar meaning to the words in the text. Artinya tuh, Islam isi kosong dengan kata-kata yang Anda temukan dalam teks atau dengan kata yang memiliki arti yang sama dengan kata-kata dalam teks. Nah, nomor 1, are you invited to the party on Sunday? Artinya, apakah Anda diundang ke pesta pada hari Minggu? Okay. Number 2, those who reject Islam will get lost. Mereka yang menolak Islam akan tersesat. Okay. Number 3, during the war, a lot of people migrated to the more peaceful countries. Yang artinya, selama perang banyak orang bermigrasi ke negara-negara yang lebih damai. Number 4, the academic calendar began in July each year. Kalender akademik dimulai pada bulan Juli setiap tahun. Number 5, after graduation from high school we can count our study at university. Setelah lulus dari sekolah menengah, kita dapat melanjutkan studi kita di universitas. Number 6, the country is now undergoing a 5-year development plan. Negara ini sekarang sedang menjalani rencana pembangunan 5 tahun. Number 7, as good Muslims, we have to contribute some of our property to the poor. Sebagai muslim yang baik, kita harus menyumbangkan sebagian dari harta kita kepada orang miskin. Nomor 8. Do you believe in God? Apakah Anda percaya pada Tuhan? In the modern era, we have to develop science and technology. Di era modern, kita harus mengembangkan ilmu pengetahuan dan teknologi. Dan nomor terakhir, every Muslim has a responsibility to preach Islam. Setiap muslim memiliki tanggung jawab untuk mendakwahkan Islam. Oke, next, slide selanjutnya. Grammar in focus. Yang A, passive pause. Passive pause adalah suatu bentuk kalimat di mana subjek kalimat menerima aksi, bukan melakukan aksi. Tidak seperti active voice yang fokus terhadap pihak yang melakukan aksi, atau door of action. Bentuk yang ini lebih berfokus pada pihak atau objek yang menerima hasil dari suatu aksi tersebut. Receiver of action. Rumusnya ada di slide ini. Oke, next. Arabic people were invited to accept Islam. Muhammad was accepted as the leader of Muslim Sukiti. Yang artinya orang-orang Arab diundang untuk memeluk Islam. Muhammad diterima sebagai pemimpin masyarakat Muslim. Itu X. Kalaunya what in passive, nomor 1, the Islamic State was established in Makkah. Established yang artinya tuh negara Islam didirikan di Madinah. Nah, dalam kurung mendirikan. Lanjut, nomor 2, migration was called hijrah in Arabic. Call. Nomor 3, man who accept Islam was not Muslim. Players were done 5 times a day. The Quran was created in Arabic word. Oke, next, slide selanjutnya. Derivative noun. Derivative noun ini artinya kata benda derivatif, atau dengan menambahkan ense uin man. To add, addition. To obedience. To agree, agreement. Do the same above and make a sentence with it. Artinya lakukan hal yang sama seperti di atas dan buatlah kalimat dengannya. Oke, to migrate, migration, to accept, acceptance, to establish, establishment, to develop, development, to contribute, contribution, to continue, continuation. Oke, next. Dan berakhir presentasi dari kami. Salah khilaf mohon maaf. Akhirul kalam, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.